Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to draw Chewbacca. So I want you to grab your marker or your pencil and follow along with me. We're going to start with the nose. I'm going to make an M shape for the nose. Doesn't have to be precise, something like this. And then we're just going to draw a line around the nose. And that forms the nose for us. And just take a little line past. There we go. And a little line down to divide the nose. I want you to draw two lines with a hook. On the other side you're going to do the same thing with a little hook. And then like this. It's a beard. We're going to draw a little beard. There we go. And you're going to just you don't have to follow me precisely, but you can just draw something like this. Then on top of that, or just below the nose, you're going to draw a little smile and two teeth sticking out both sides with a bottom lip. Some lines going downwards to show sort of a mustache on the outside. And next we're going to start with the eyes. So you're going to just draw two eyes on both sides. And then eyelids. You're going to bring an eyelid on this side and then on the other side another eyelid as well. Don't have to look exactly the same. And then you're going to draw two pupils. Irises. And of course, not to forget the light reflections. And let's color the pupils in. Now for the head. On top I'm just going to break two lines out. That's going to be the top of the head. And maybe a piece of hair standing like this and another piece standing there. And now we're going to draw the side of the head. And first we're going to draw the head. And then thereafter we'll go to the body. And just a series of hooked lines going down and then connected to the beard. And on this side we can do the same thing. And you can just connect it to the beard. There's Chewbacca's head. And after that we're going to start with the body. Now we're going to start with the belt first. I'm going to draw a thin line. That's the first part of the belt. And then I'm going to draw a lower line. And I'm just going to follow this through to the other side. So I think the shoulder is going to be roughly about there. And the other shoulder I'll draw about there. That's going to be the shoulders. Now follow through with this line to the shoulder area that goes behind the hair. And then on top I want you to draw hair. So we're just going to draw a few pieces of hair like this. And now the belt is going to continue behind the hair. Good. And let's draw a few blocks just for interesting sake to make it a bit more interesting. There's another one and there's another block as well. So that would be the belt. Now this belt is attached to a bag. Now I'm going to draw the top of the bag first. Just a round line and then a curvy line below. We'll draw the bag itself. Nice big, and we'll just draw a little corner of the bag there. Good. Now that we have this, we're going to start on this side and we're going to draw this chest. Again, some hair going there. And then on this side, let's do the same thing. Some hair. So that would be the chest. And we're going to make it nice and round. So we're going to go all the way around. And this side you can do the same thing. All the way around. There we go. And there's the belly and the chest area together. And from there we're going to draw the legs. So on the inside I want you to draw again some hair, and on this side just do the same thing as well. Some hair. They don't have to match exactly. Good. And then on this side we're going to draw the outer leg. So it's going to be quite thick legs, and on this side you can do the same thing. There we go. And now we're going to connect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a line up, and I'm going to draw sort of an upside down V shape like this. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. You're going to bring it up and you're going to draw sort of an upside down V, and then maybe a piece of hair sticking out and a piece of hair like this, like there. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. There we go. And now we're going to draw the toes. There's one toe with a nail, and then there's another toe and maybe a third toe there, and I'll just draw a little nail there as well. I'm going to do the same on this side. And 1, 2, there we go. And then from here we're going to draw the arm. Now you will not see Chewbacca's hands because the hair is growing over his hands, so you're just going to draw hair. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. There we go. Go down, and there's hair as well. Great. And there's Chewbacca. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and color Chewbacca in, and I'm sure Chewbacca will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.